Hi, I'm Madhumati Srinivasan. I'm a first year communication design student from Dot School of Design.
Hi, I'm Vidupala, doing fashion designing first year in Dot School of Design. So the workshop that I attended is called Drawing from Life. It was done by Dwani ma'am.
This workshop was all about getting introduced to the basics of comic making and the different genres of comics and different technical aspects of comics.
And it is a 2-day workshop. So the first day, the very first activity was we were given these tiny sheets, and we were set to make our own characters, keep a name to it.
The character can have the features of whatever you feel like having. So this kind of represented my personality. It's called Clever Jambu. Those are the names with which we called all the people during the course of the workshop.
We didn't use our names anywhere.
Second part of the workshop was about making our first comic.
We were given prompts. We were given different prompts. We were choosing randomly.
So first, to just cool our nerves and not get stressed about coming up with a very good character, a good looking character and a very attractive character. So to remove that fear, we just randomly scribbled on the notebook, and whatever scribbles we got, we just modified it a little to make it as a character. So this was a comic which had prompts for each panel. So we had different arrangements of panels. One had a circle in the middle. So mine was this kind of paneling. This was a comic I made. It's called Journey of Party. The character name is Party. Yeah, that was the first experience of making a comic.
And then second day we had our own prompt, which was inspired from our true incidents from our lives. And then it was very interesting to put something that has already happened in my life into the comics. It was very interesting how fun it was.
So we had many prompts for everybody. We had to choose a situation that is a human and alien in my comic. So human and alien meeting for the first time in the outer space, and they should only communicate through song lyrics. So this was my prompt. So yeah, something interesting came out, and it was intended to be funny, and yeah, some people laughed, so I count it as a win.
So the topics we covered are the comic panels, different types of comic panels we have, and then the transitions from one panel to other.
Different types of transitions, like aspect to aspect, scene to scene. So there were many types.
Few things that I learned in specific which I might take throughout my life is, first thing, comics doesn't need to be comical or funny or anything. It can be commercial. It can have a very serious topics. I learned that in this workshop.
It is kind of a visual channel through which you can communicate any dense or complicated information in a very easy way.
Improvements are I wish the workshop was a 4-day workshop. It just got completed in 2 days. It was very short period of time.
It was actually a very good journey. The 2-day workshop was really good. And yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I wish it never ended.